To all beginner software engineers, let's build your first app. This is a workshop aimed at beginners who are still taking their first steps into the world of software development. My goal here is that this will be helpful for someone at any skill level. Welcome everybody. My name is Marcelena and I'm one of the instructors here at Codesmith. I'm really thrilled to see you all here at Codesmith's workshop on building your first app. And I'm going to be holding your hand through this whole process, and I'm excited to get started. Now for the fun part. Your first app could be just about anything. You might build a calculator, maybe a game of tic-tac-toe, maybe something completely different. Today, we're going to build a to-do list. To get started, we'll learn a little bit about the fundamentals of developing for the web. We'll check out some of the techniques that make JavaScript the perfect tool for the job when you're making an interactive and dynamic web application. And then we'll jump into the code, building our to-do list from scratch, from blank slate to full functionality. Okay, great. Now, something has changed. It looks like that there's an error here in my console, and you might think that that's a bad thing. No, that's a fantastic thing. Even if the thing that changes is that you get a new error, that's progress. Figuring out what it takes to build a super simple application like this is going to give you a lot of the tools necessary to continue your learning outside of the classroom. And it's my hope that you're able to build on this after the workshop concludes, adding complexity and growing your skill set even further. You can also join the CSX Slack workspace and our CSX online learning platform, which is going to really start you off strong with the basics of JavaScript and connect you with other engineers who are at the same place as you.